Hi kids, this is Teacher May, your teacher for today. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest videos.
Hello kids! Let's get started with our new lesson. Today, you are going to learn about defining creative works using your own words, identifying relevant creative works from our province or locality. Before we start, let's have a short review. These are the creative works of our province. Now, let's see if you know the pictures. Number 1 is Balisong of Taal. 2 is Boli of Tingloy. Number 3 is Sublian Festival of Batangas City. Number 4 is Burdang Taal. And lastly, our very own Punlad Festival of Talisay, Batangas. Alright everyone, get ready for something. We're going to watch a video of a Punlad Festival.
Punlad, punlad, punlad sa pagpunlad. Punlad, punlad, punlad sa pagpunlad. Punlad, punlad, punlad sa pagpunlad. Punlad Festival!
Isang kasaysayan kung bakit nagkaroon ng isang bayan na kung tuwagin ay Talisay. Sa pagdaan ng panahon, Talisay ay nakilala na pinagkukunan ng punla dito sa ating bansa. Lisenyong maaasahan, kaya't ang pagpunlad ay tunay na
pag-unlad. Ang Punlad Festival atin ang ipagdiwang.
Mula sa pag-unlad,
Matutunghayan, walang pati na kasiyahan. Umiyak, sumayaw, humiyaw sa kagalakan. Kaya tayo na makiisa sa Punlad Festival. Atin ang ipagdiwang.
mula sa pag-unlad,
Matutunghayan, walang pati na kasiyahan. Punlad Festival. Umiyak, sumayaw, humiyaw sa kagalakan. Kaya tayo na makiisa Punlad Festival. Sa Punlad Festival.
These are the elements of artistic expression. Music. Music is the systematic arrangement of sounds. Visual arts. Visual arts are those that meet the eye and evoke emotions through an expression of skill and imagination. Dance. Dance is the movement of the body in a rhythmic way, usually to music and within a given space, to express an idea or emotion, release energy, or simply take delight in the movement itself. Theater. Theater is a collaborative art form that integrates elements such as acting, directing, set design, costume design, lighting, sound, and more to convey a narrative or evoke emotions. Elements of artistic expression are the basic components integrated into any creative work. They serve as the building blocks of a creative work to achieve its intended functions. They include line, shape, space, texture, rhythm, sound, movement, and color. One of the examples of creative works in Talisay, Batangas is the Punlad Festival. The punla or seedlings that the locals have been continuously cultivating contribute immensely to the town's development and prosperity. Punlad is a portmanteau of the phrase punla sa pag-unlad, which means the seedling of prosperity. The Punlad Festival is held every second week of February. The Punlad Festival is a time for Taliseños to come together as a community, showcasing the cultural values, honoring the agricultural heritage, and celebrating the bountiful harvest that nurture the town. The street dance competitions are the most highly anticipated event of the festival. It features different teams of dancers from all over the province. They parade colorful costumes and headdresses and perform to the music of traditional Taliseño songs. Punlad Festival, as a creative work, seamlessly integrates music, dance, theater, and visual arts in celebrating Taliseños culture. Music. During the street dance competition, the performers dance to the upbeat instrumental version of the famous Taliseños song, Punla sa Pag-unlad. During the street dancing, the streets are filled with loud and lively music to energize everyone. Dance. The festival features street dancing and free dance interpretation. During the street dancing, the performers line up in the streets to showcase their colorful costumes, headdresses, and props while energetically dancing. There is no standard dance steps as performers are given the liberty to use steps and routines that showcase Taliseños culture. Theater. The festival includes theatrical elements through the extensive use of gestures, expressions, and storytelling techniques during the street dance and free dance interpretations. Some stories incorporated in the dance presentations include the eruption of Taal volcano, seedling, local cuisines, and other cultural practices of the municipality. Visual arts. During the street dance competition, performers from different barangays of Talisay showcased their intricate costumes, headdresses, and props that typically represent their community. These were carefully designed to ensure durability during the competition and to achieve visual appeal. In a festival performance such as Punlad, these four art forms, music, dance, theater, and visual art, are combined to create holistic experiences that engage the audience on multi-sensory levels. Each art form enhances and is enhanced by the others, creating a more cohesive and immersive performance. Together, they create a performance greater than the sum of its parts. This is how creative works are made. Class, here are the instructions for each station. In music station, you will listen to the music and use your bodies or instruments to create a rhythmic soundscape that complements the music. In dance station, using the open space and scarves, you will develop a simple dance sequence that shows Taliseños cultural activities like planting seedlings. In theater station, you have the option to create simple masks or headbands that represent characters or themes from the festival, such as happy dancers. You can also practice facial expressions and gestures that portray emotions relevant to the festival, such as excitement and joy. In visual arts station, using magazines, newspapers, and your creativity, you will cut out shapes and collage them to create a piece of festival attire. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences from this activity. Each group will share your experience at each station. Great job, everyone! We're going to explore some really good things tomorrow.